Hello, boys and girls. Today, we are going to have fun learning the ABCs. Let's learn the letter B. Can you say B? B is the first letter in the word banana. Here are some more things that start with the letter B. Boat, book, and bird. Let's learn how to write the letter B. Starting at the top, draw a line down to the bottom. Now, go back to the top and draw a curved line to the middle. Then, draw another curved line to the bottom. Good job, everyone. That looks great. Hey, do you happen to know the alphabet song? Great. Let's sing it together. Wow, that sounded great. You all sang beautifully. But now it's time for a pop quiz. Can you pick out which two items start with the letter B and find the one that doesn't? First up, we have a box. Then a cat. And finally, a ball. If you guess that box and ball start with the letter B, then you are correct. The cat is the one that doesn't belong. Well done, everyone. You all are amazing learners. I hope you'll join us again in the future for more alphabet adventures. And be sure to check out other educational videos on Wise Little Learners. Thanks for watching.